ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయ చక్షురున్మిలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. శ్రీచైతన్యమనోభీష్టం స్థాపితం యేన భూతలే స్వయం రూపగదా మహ్యం దదాతి స్వపదంకితం. నమో మహావదాన్యాయ కృష్ణప్రేమప్రదాయతే కృష్ణాయ కృష్ణచైతన్యనామ్ని గౌరత్విషే నమః. హే కృష్ణ కరుణా సింధో దీనబంధో జగత్పతే గోపేశ గోపికా కాంత శ్రీరాధా కాంత నమోస్తుతే. తప్త కాంచన గౌరాంగే శ్రీరాధే వృందావనేశ్వరి వృషభానుసుతే దేవి ప్రణమామి హరిప్రియే. వాంఛాకల్పతరుభ్యస్య కృపా సింధుభ్య ఏవ చ పతితానాం పావనేభ్యో వైష్ణవేభ్యో నమో నమః. నమో విష్ణుపాదాయ కృష్ణప్రేష్టాయ భూతలే శ్రీమతి భక్తివేదాంత స్వామి నితి నామినే. నామస్తే సరస్వతీ దేవీం గౌరవాణి ప్రచారిణి నిర్విశేష శూన్యవాది పాశ్చాత్యదేశతారిణి. జయ శ్రీకృష్ణ చైతన్య ప్రభు నిత్యానంద శ్రీ అద్వైత గదాధర శివాసాది గౌరభక్తవృంద. హరే కృష్ణ 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 హరే 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 రామ 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 హరే హరే. హరే కృష్ణ ప్రభుజీస్, హరే కృష్ణ మాతాజీస్, హరే కృష్ణ టు ఆల్ Vaishnavas. Tomorrow is most auspicious disappearance day of Vaishnava Sarvabhauma Srila Jaganath Das Babaji Maharaj, disciple of Madhusudan Das Babaji Maharaj and Guru of Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur Maharaj. Almost in his Leela, Jaganath Das Babaji Maharaj lived 144 years. Even in his old age, he is eager and ready to play kirtan and names of Krishna in ecstatic way. Jaganath Das Babaji Maharaj excavated the birthplace of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by the request of Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur Maharaj. There is no discrimination of rich and poor or any gender, caste or creed for Jaganath Das Babaji Maharaj. He used to see everyone as servants of Krishna, eternal servants of Krishna. Babaji Maharaj is used to stay in Vrindavan and Mayapur. Wherever he stay in Vrindavan or Mayapur, there is no discrimination for Jaganath Das Babaji Maharaj. One time he taken a roti from sweeper who is sweeping the streets in the Vrindavan. Then all asked the question that you are a great Vaishnava, why you are taking a bread from a poor sweeper? Then he replied that all the Dhamavasis who are in the Vrindavan or wherever the Lord is there, all the Dhamavasis are eternal servants of Krishna. I am not greater than that sweeper. She is an eternal servant of Krishna. This is the perception of Jaganath Das Babaji Maharaj, Uttamadikari, seeing Krishna everywhere and seeing everyone as eternal servants of Krishna. And Jaganath Das Babaji Maharaj is always used to say that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna taken the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as a most merciful incarnation. And he says that Krishna in his form may count the offenses, but Krishna in his form of Gauranga will never see the offenses of the devotees. So please chant the names of Gauranga. This is the request of Jaganath Das Babaji Maharaj. He always used to sing about Gaur and Ithai. The four main instructions given by Jaganath Das Babaji Maharaj are: first one is one should be sincere in this devotional service and should not associate with any woman, and especially with men who are associated with women. One should avoid such association and should be very sincere in the devotional service. Second instruction is one should do daily Harinama without fail. Whatever is the situation in our life, we should not skip the Harinama. Each and every day, every devotee should do Harinama, even it is the cost of his life. It is a life and death issue also. One should not leave the Harinama. That is the second instruction given by Jaganath Das Babaji Maharaj. The third instruction is Krishna, in his form of Gauranga, is most merciful. One should take the shelter of Gauranga and should chant the names of Gauranga, is the third instruction. And the fourth instruction is Krishna is for Dwapar Yuga and especially for Kali Yuga. Krishna incarnated as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to bestow his love for conditioned souls. So one should take the shelter of Gauranga and one should try to revive their lost relationship with Krishna. This is the fourth instruction. And Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj renunciation is uncomparable. As the 4 months of Chaturya Masa, in 1 month he is completely dependent upon consuming only banana as prasadam. In second month he used to take only guava. Like third, 4th months and 1 month he used to take only the banana leaf flower or banana flower, the raw banana flower just cooked in, just boiled, that too without salt and spices. No one can compare with the renunciation of Gaur Kishore Das Babaji or Vamsi Das Babaji or Jagannath Das Babaji. Vaishnava Acharya says that these three great personalities, Vamsi Das Babaji, Gaur Kishore Das Babaji and Jagannath Das Babaji, are very intimate associates of Krishna. Srila Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj not have any discrimination. Sometimes when he is not there, he went outside. Sometimes some small puppies or dogs used to take prasad in the same plate of Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. One side Jagannath Das Babaji, sometimes he will take prasad, and besides Jagannath Das Babaji, in the same plate dogs also will take. He will never discriminate. He says that these dogs belong to Vrindavan, are eternal associates of Krishna. That is the vision of a devotee, seeing everyone as eternal servants of Krishna and seeing Krishna is present in every living entity and in every atom. That is the vision of pure devotee. That is Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. How can we describe the glories of Krishna and his pure devotee? Completely describing is not possible. So in this auspicious disappearance day of Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, let us all pray to Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj and to get his divine blessings. Only Krishna and his devotees and the love between Krishna and his devotees is only true. Rest of everything else is Maya or merely a false or like a false or like a dream. There is no value for that one. Everything else is temporary. One who want to realize his eternal relationship with Krishna and want to regain Krishna prema, such person should chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra steadily without committing any offense. By the mercy of a pure devotee, by the mercy of Prabhupada, by the mercy of pure devotee, he can realize his eternal relationship with Krishna and regain Krishna prema. There is no doubt in that. By the mercy of a pure devotee and by the constantly doing Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, he will reach the state beyond the lust, beyond the material qualities, beyond the material Maya, beyond all the material. And he will be situated in Brahmabhuta state and he will still suppresses even that state and he will be beyond that one and retains Krishna prema. There is no doubt in that one. Holding material things or material lust one side and want to hold Krishna with other hand in the Rasa Leela, it is not possible. It is a demonic desire. It will be never fulfilled. Holding material things from one side and want to catch Krishna with other hand, it's not possible. Krishna is pure, Radhika is pure. In our original state, we are also pure. We are as pure as Krishna. Krishna is pure fire. We are also fire. As of now, we are contaminated. That's what said by my Prabhupada. By the mercy of Guru Maharaj, when we regain our original position, then we can touch Krishna. Then we can see Krishna. Then we can be with Krishna. That position, we can realize who is Krishna, what is the relationship between we and Krishna. The pure devotee is completely beyond even beyond the impersonal liberation. Then what to say about lust? He is completely free from lust. Even there is no scope for 0.000001% lust in Krishna prema. Krishna prema is beyond the impersonal Brahman. The pure devotee is beyond, even beyond the impersonal Brahman. Then what to say about materialist and material Maya? By the mercy of Prabhupada, by the mercy of pure devotee, we will reach the same position. We will reach, it's our original position. We will reach that position and we can regain our lost relationship with Krishna. The pure devotee, wherever he lives, he will be pure. If the pure devotee is living in asrama, he will think that, how can I pass my stool and urine here? This is belonged to temple. Here Radha Krishna Chandra is there. It's belonged to here. How can I pass my stool and urine in ashrama? Where all the devotees, where all the brahmachari sannyasis are staying here. Lord is staying here. Everything is belonged to Lord and temple. How can I pass the stool and urine? That is the intention of pure devotee. Then what to say about the self-satisfying of so-called gentials and senses? That is pure state. That will be awarded by Srila Prabhupada. Pure devotee. That will be awarded by pure devotee Srila Prabhupada. At that stage, by constantly chanting, by reaching such state, by Krishna Nama, by mercy of pure devotee, by situating beyond all the material things and materialist and all the material Maya, at that position he can realize his eternal relationship with Krishna and regains his Krishna prema. Such person will go back to Godhead. Such person can make others to revive their relationship with Krishna. That is pure devotion. Pure devotion is beyond everything. No differentiation, no discrimination, no material lust, no material qualities, even no desire for liberation. He will never insults anyone. Pure devotee never insults anyone. He never sees any discrimination. He not have any fault finding nature. Even that is pure devotee, pure lover of Krishna. Such a pure devotee is very rare. One who sees such a pure devotee, Rupa Goswami says that he is nothing but an indirect expansion of Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika is standing there. Pure devotee is internal potency of Krishna. Such a pure devotee, even in the process of preaching or in the name of support for Prabhupada or in the name of support for Krishna or in the name of devotion, he will never scolds anyone, and he never criticize anyone. He never think bad about anyone. Criticization is not there in Vaishnava attitude. Prabhupada never thought that one. One who wants to criticize in the name of Prabhupada or to support or to preach Hare Krishna or to preach Hare Krishna Mahamantra and continue doing 16 rounds of chanting, we are in the process, but we will never get Krishna Prema by offending someone. That is not there. That is not recommended by Prabhupada. One who is sincere, who realized his position is nothing but lesser than a blade of grass, Trunadapi sunichena taroriva sahishnuna amani namana deya kirtaniya sadahari. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says. There is no need to think ourselves as low. Actually, we are low. How we are great? Everyone are eternal servants of Krishna who are residing Goloka Vrindavana, are eternal servants of Krishna, who are staying in Vaikuntha are eternal servants of Krishna, who came here and are in the cycle, they are also eternal servants of Krishna. We can't even prove or we can't say that something is not belonging to Krishna. Everything belongs to Krishna. Then how we can criticize anyone? How we can proudly see anyone's face by raising our head? We should bend down our head. Whoever it may be, he is eternal Amsa of Krishna. We should bend down. That is the position of a pure devotee. In such position, he can constantly, heartfully, nectarfully, he can drink the essence of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. In such position, we will never see Radha Krishna Chandra as a brass deities. We will see Radha Krishna as it is served by gopis there. Then we will see Radha Krishna directly instead of Archa Vigraha, we will see Radha Krishna directly. Instead of Radha Krishna Murti, we will see Radha Krishna directly. That is pure devotee. Let us all chant 16 rounds of chanting. Let us all follow 4 regulative principles, must and should. We should not forget. We should read our Prabhupada books. My Prabhupada is there. There is no need to worry. Inside our heart, Paramatma is there. Outside, my Prabhupada is there. Just do 16 rounds chanting. Let us all follow 4 regulative principles. Read Srila Prabhupada books. That's it. By the mercy of pure devotee, by mercy of Prabhupada, we will reach Krishna. We will be with Krishna eternally. Hare Krishna, Jai Srila Prabhupada.